let's start with just the difference between hitting it with that tube or hitting it with a mallet.
So the mallet is going to sound like this. You can also, if you do it up here, the great thing about one of these things is you'll hear the difference in the instrument as you go higher, as you hit it higher. With the tube is just brutal. The tube is mainly, it's like my playing slide guitar thing. So it's a lot more brutal. The bow is wonderful. If you don't play it on a harmonic, you'll get so you hear the ringing, but as soon as I come into the harmonic, it plays the note.